The oil sight gauge is a clear plastic plug that allows you to monitor the oil level in your compressor's crankcase. The gauge can be cracked, either by fatigue over time or by accident. A cracked sight gauge will allow oil to leak from the compressor. Replacing the oil sight gauge is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by taking note of the fins, and then I'll be all clear to remove the sight gauge. Before I can remove the sight gauge, I need to tip the compressor back so the oil doesn't leak out. I'll raise the compressor up and put a couple pieces of wood underneath it. I'll use a socket wrench to unthread the gauge from the crankcase. The new sight gauge includes a new O-ring, so it's ready to be installed. I'll thread it into the crankcase and again tighten it with the socket wrench. I'll be careful that I don't over tighten it so I don't damage the threads or crack the cap. And that's how easy it is to replace the oil sight gauge on your compressor.